can't hold my tongue. I have been tricked into this bliss that I don't want. But there were cold and biting forces by my feet. I heard but one told me to run before I breathe. And the tower's gone. And I see everything at once. Is this the world I burn for love? Righteous sins break my skin, turn me to dust. But I can taste the sweet release of moving on. Distant shadows dance for all I do not see. My reflection sings my name so I'll never leave. The towers climb. And all at once I know this life. And I must go before they. I must go before they. I must go before they. I must go before they rise. This mayhem has turned like these chains on my chest when I run towards the door. This touch is inviting, but I must admit that it hurts to explore. I don't feel much, but the sting of this rush at the foot of my door. And I'll see you again when it's time to pretend that the time